When I came into the library, Willie Ostrager was already, I came in '67, he had 15 years of recording programs of Jewish interest to the Jewish community. It was a given that any event the library sponsor or any other organization that would admit him with his Wallensack recorder, 40-pound Wallensack recorder, an array of microphones, microphone stands, would admit him to that thing. We would tape record it, and when cassettes became available, we would make copies available for the library and to borrow from the library. I took a cue from that at that point and say, why just limit yourself to the live recordings that he's doing? I heard a lot of stuff on the CBC of Jewish interest, whether politically or musically or culturally. I used to tape those as well, either before even hooking up, but even just putting a mic in front of a loudspeaker. I had pretty good equipment at that time, and I started taping those things as well.